The sky is clear and the water is clean. This is the Bayunan temple. Today we will talk about this temple, but it is located on Hezhang Peak near Bayunan. Following the beautiful caves, we reach Guanyin Cave. Yandang Mountain has never been very rich, but Guanyin Cave has always kept a special and holy place. Other Buddhist temples depend on their height and new buildings. Because this is Guanyin Cave, there is also a poem that shows its meaning. Wind blows between the two sides of the mountain. 9 floor towers hide in the sky. The weather is cool. At the gate of the cave, 2 big words are written. On the walls of Guanyin Cave, many writings are found, some of them made by Jaobu. Even though there are many temples, Guanyin Cave still has its own unique position. It feels like in Lingfeng's hand a magic flag is flying, touching the sky, spreading from north to south. There is no other sacred cave like this here. The temple is being repaired now. Its height is 113 meters, width 76 meters and depth 14 meters. In the Tang dynasty, the Dongya sword was offered here. The 9-story Yandang Mountain was once linked with the Arhat's holy monks. Before, Guanyin Cave was called the Arhat Cave. Nearby there was also another cave named Lingfeng Ancient Cave, but it has collapsed. In the Ming dynasty, Liu Yongxing brought his 2 daughters and family here. They prayed to the Arhat statue and learned here. His father also came here to worship. From inside the cave you can see the clear sky and clean lake outside. The wind blows like a straight line, protecting the cave. In 2015, for the first time, a Guanian statue was built here. But later, the river flooded and half of the temple was destroyed. That was a big loss. On the 8th floor, 4 big characters are written. On the first floor there is a Buddhist gate, called the Gate of Buddha. In Buddhism, greed, hatred and ignorance are always seen as the biggest problems. At the highest point, on the 9th floor, there is a Guanian statue and 18 Arhat statues. There are also 300 small Arhat statues. In 1985, the monks who were forced to leave during the Cultural Revolution were invited back to Guanyin Cave. The present monk living here is Yanqing of the Linjizong tradition.